Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great day. Today, we'll be replacing these. Take a good look at them, because this is the last time we'll see ugly ass headlights. Bro, these shits are already cracking. I think this is a clear coat, but they're just cracking all over the place. There's like even scratches. Like, why? I don't think these things are too old for that. We're also going to be throwing on a front lip for the front. And the rear. We're going to be throwing on a front lip for both the front and the rear. I forgot to bring my side skirts, so we're not installing my side skirts today. Yeah, guys, it is good. Straight into replacing them. This is the last time you'll see me with black headlights. I'm not even able to see outside. And when it's nighttime, that shit's so hard to see. I have to have high beams on the entire time. Let's go check them out. So far, they look pretty decent. Honestly, compared to the old ones, these look amazing. They look way better. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I did the right choice, sticking with the black housing? Or should I have gone with the OEM look? I just didn't really like it. I don't think it's my style, to be honest. I'm not very much an OEM type of guy. I don't really care for it. As long as it's clean, I feel like that's all that matters. I also did choose to get the amber instead of doing all clear, which, again, I didn't really like, me personally. So I decided to go with the amber instead of clear. We also do have a red overlays for the rear. I'm not too sure if I should keep the amber or if I should just like keep it all red, because I do have the overlays for it now. I don't know. Since I have the amber up front, I don't know if I should keep it. I don't know, you guys should let me know. I think for now I'll keep it since I don't even have it with me today. But regardless, today we're going to be installing two front lips and those headlights. The before, oh, look at that crazy transformation. Bro, this looks way better. I can finally see. With the old lights, I could barely see at night. Hey, what's up, everyone? We just made it back home. As you can see, we got the headlights installed, the lip installed, and the rear lip as well. Me personally, I don't think I really liked how the rear lip came out. Just not too happy with it. It looks kind of, makes it look bigger than it actually is. And like, that's kind of the point of a lip, but like, I don't know. I don't know if I fuck with it yet. Like, it looks decent. It looks okay. But the headlights, crazy difference. We're gonna pop up some pictures of what the car used to look like with the old headlights, and you'll see the biggest difference, because this looks really good. Honestly, this looks really good compared to what it looked like before. The lip, there's a lot of fitment issue too. What can you expect? It was like $100 and some change from eBay, but honestly, man, it's coming together like pretty decently. We're still on stock wheels. Hopefully we can get some wheels soon. But damn, that's just kind of fire, not gonna lie. We also did do a run after we put the headlights and the lip. We did a run with one of my coworkers. He has a 300 horsepower Avalon. I guess there's like a cult following on those types of cars, because the V6s are in some type of Lotus. I'm not too sure on it. That's just what I've heard. I could be completely wrong, but we're gonna be putting up the clip of the RSX against the Lotus and displaying it's Avalon. Yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like. Let me know what else we should do to it. Let me know if I should get different side skirts, because I feel like it doesn't flow from the side as much. Like right here, kind of goes up, goes back down. So I don't know, should we get side skirts too? I know I'm kind of focusing a little bit on cosmetic stuff right now. We should get some new ones of these as well. I don't know what these are called. I'm kind of thinking we could just like scrape this off and either do some type of spray paint, because that's what it kind of feels like. It's just kind of paint. But I think this is broken or attaches to it, so we might have to end up replacing these. We still have to get rid of the old tint have to get rid of the back tint, the side tint, and the passenger side. I don't think I have any on the driver's side. But besides that, oh, we also did forget to put on the overlays for the tail lights. So we still have to do that. I'll probably show you guys in the next video. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after. We just have to put on some new wheels, dial in the fitment. It'll look pretty good, to be honest. Now we just need that turbo. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.